Good afternoon to all. Honorable Sudhir Thakre sir, Honorable Secretary IT. I am from Yashoda. Yashoda is a Apex Training Institute of Government of Maharashtra. Basically, it is an autonomous training academy. We have assigned very important and crucial task, as we have been repeatedly listening from all the speakers that capacity building is the bedrock of success of governance. Basically, what happens? It is very difficult. It is very easy to build any system. It is very easy to even develop a software using all technology, because for technology, sky is the limit and you can develop anything. But it is very difficult to implement it, to maintain it, and it is happening in the governance, because we every day deal with officers, the crucial stakeholders of the governance. Recently, there have been two policies, very important two policies of the government of Maharashtra. One is information technology policy, wherein Yashoda has been assigned crucial task of capacity building and ICT awareness of all government officers and employees working. And even Secretary IT, Government of India told about even awareness among the political functionaries also. Sudhir Thakre sir also mentioned that we have one studio and we have been training number of political functionaries working in the Panchayat Raj. Another task is Yashoda has been assigned a role of test bed for number of e-governance project. Now it will be launched in future. We have number of classrooms, 20. We have capacity of accommodating 300 participants every day. We have two very good IT labs. Presently, every year we are training about 50,000 officers in all subjects of governance. We are disseminating information, we are in research and documentation, we are in advocacy also. In IT policy, we have been given important responsibility, and that is of promoting e-governance awareness. We have tie-up with various institutions of distance education. One is Yashwantrao Chauhan Maharashtra Open University. Then we have also network with Center for Advanced Computing CEDAC Pune, NIC Pune, National Institute of Smart Governance Hyderabad. Soon we will be getting into the National Knowledge Network also. Our main objective is to improve the internal organizational processes of governance of various departments through training and capacity building, to promote use of ICT for every public service delivery, because Government of Maharashtra IT policy envisages that within next 5 years, all public services should be delivered using e-governance. Increase government transparency in order to reduce corruption, reinforce administrative credibility and accountability, promote e-practices through public participation and consultation with the help of e-governance. ICT awareness, what we implement ICT awareness courses, very elementary courses these are. We also implement very important ICT awareness campaign that is recently started by Government of Maharashtra, that is Tech Saturday. Tech Saturday for mass awareness among the staffs. Even we conduct in Yashoda and at various offices. We organize tech shopping and take IT products, IT developments, new issues to various levels of functionaries in the governance. Then we have courses on Unicode. Unicode is very important because Government of Maharashtra has taken a policy that in all offices, uniformly, Unicode should be used. At the moment, it is not. In various offices, various fonts are used, and when it is taken to other offices, it is seen as garbage. So Unicode usage is very important and we are trying to spread that. Then Courses on IT security, it has been emphasized by every speaker that IT security is very important and people are not sensitized at all. Then courses on IT asset management, courses on green computing. We have tie-up with National Institute of Smart Governance, and we are also conducting specialized training for e-governance programs in STEP. That is e-governance project cycle 2 days course, e-governance project cycle 5 days course, government process reengineering, very important course it is, 2 days, and we have 5 days course also. Business models and public-private partnership for e-governance projects, it is 2 days course, as well as we have 5 days course also. Change management and capacity building in e-governance projects, regulatory framework for e-governance and implementation, information security management, enterprise applications and open source for e-governance, 5 days course, project management, 5 days course, communication, assertiveness and presentation skills, 5 days course. We have both the approaches. We have interactive as well as classroom lectures, case studies, hands-on practice in 2 laboratories, open house discussions, group discussions, brainstorming, groups and individual presentations, assessment, exercises, role play, quiz, tests. At the moment, this is a conventional way of learning. But Government of Maharashtra has come up with another policy that is called state training policy. And state training policy envisages that Yashoda should train all officers and staff. Yashoda is one located in Pune. We have network with almost 110 institutes, some regional and some district institutes, some technical education institutes of Government of Maharashtra. Now we have to train about more than 50 lakh officers and staff periodically, not once. Once after 4 years, after 9 years, after 13 years. So it's a huge task of human capital building, and it can't be done in Pune, in-house, and just by conventional methods. So Yashoda courses are departmentally sponsored. Some courses are on demand, some courses are certificate courses demanded by department, some courses are with NISG, some courses are by using the mix of Yashoda staff, industry staff and practitioners from Government of Maharashtra and various departments. As Thakre sir rightly mentioned, with the help of and sponsorship of Thakre sir, his department and Rural Development Department of Government of India, we have set up a studio in Yashoda. We have 138 satellite interactive terminals in 138 blocks in 12 districts. Now we are expanding it to all the districts, rest of the 23 districts and 275 rest of blocks. At the moment, if we talk, we can at a time talk to 400 participants in a day or 1 hour within few minutes. Now we are augmenting our capacity to 1200 participants a day. Here are the opportunities. We need courses, we need content, we need delivery technologies to reach out to people for disseminating information, disseminating schemes, disseminating learning, disseminating our programs, and whatever learning we have to transfer. Under SATCOM, at the moment we don't have dedicated studio in Yashoda. We are dependent on EduSat Hub, which is located in Nasik, Yashwantrao Chauhan Maharashtra Open University. While augmentation, we are proposing a studio in Yashoda itself, and we are moving towards, these are the 20 districts where we, through Yashoda studio, we connect to Nasik YCMU studio, and our sessions are uplinked to all 138 SITs at the moment. but we are augmenting and we are going to have one studio in Yashoda and get connected to all the talukas, all the blocks in Maharashtra. At the moment, we get only 3 days time, that is Monday, Wednesday and Saturday. ISRO, if allows us, will use all days in week, all hours, maybe 24/7 we can operate. And here we propose to convert Yashoda into a e-governance academy and virtual academy. For at the moment we are using only one technology, that is VSAT. We need support, and for reaching and training about 50 lakh officers and staff and political functionaries periodically, conventional methods will not be adequate and we'll have to change the methods. So e-learning or digital learning is another method which we are exploring number of options. Director of IT, we have MOU with Director of IT. We have MOU with Director of Accounts and Treasury. We have training programs for GSDA. We have mix of staff. Yashoda has limited expertise in IT, but we pool expertise from industry. We pool expertise from practitioners in the governance. We also work for ACRT, SRC, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, MPSP Mumbai, YSP Pratishthan. This is our Yashoda studio. This is our Director General addressing various 130 SITs. This is our another Deputy Director addressing. So far we have conducted number of courses and we have reached out to people, and it is interactive, it is two-way. Villager can talk to us, village functionary can talk to us. Presently we are dependent on Yashoda and we are going to have our own studio soon. This is how training and capacity building. In capacity building and training, we have number of opportunities. Here, I am not with success story, but I am here with opportunities. So, from industry, we would like to have number of solutions to reach out to 15 lakh and more people in number of ways, maybe digital learning, maybe e-learning, and maybe number of other options while using SATCOM. This is all about from me. Thank you very much.